Good day, everyone. So we're going to discuss word problems under arithmetic and geometric sequence and series. So first, we have to deal with the formula. No? We have four. So first is the arithmetic sequence. So ang formula natin dito, given a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So we know that a sub n is the last term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the position of the term. Now, for example, hinahanap natin yung ika-10th term. So meaning n is 10. And yung d natin is common difference. So, makukuha natin yan by subtracting the first term from the second term, given the sequence. Second is the arithmetic series or sum. So, kailan naman natin to ginagamit? Ginagamit natin to if may mga question na like, finding the sum of the given arithmetic series. So, dalawa yung choices natin na formula. When n is given, when a sub n pala is given, ito gagamitin natin. S sub n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by a sub 1 plus a sub n. And when n is not given, ito naman yung formula na gagamitin. Okay, so paano mo malalaman kung given? For example, may given ka na series. 2 plus 4 plus 6. Tapos 50 yung nasa dulo. Meaning, given yung a sub n, yung last. So, ito gagamitin. Okay? Kapag hindi naman given, let's say 2 plus 4 plus 6, tapos wala siyang dual number. Ito naman yung gagamitan natin kasi a sub n is not given. Okay? Tapos, geometric sequence naman. Kailan naman natin ginagamit? Kapag R na, common ratio na, no, yung sequence na. Pag nagde-divide na tayo. So, nire-record natin, for example, find the 10th term of the geometric sequence. 2, 6, and 18, for example. So, eto gagamitan natin kasi geometric na yun eh. Pag-divide natin, so makukuha mo yung common ratio. So, yun lang yung tatandaan. Ngayon, pag geometric series naman, dalawa. No? If n is not given and if n is given. Pag n is not given, kailan yan? For example, find the sum of the geometric series given as 2, 4, 8. Okay? Yung sum nun. Walang binigay na parang like, find the sum of the 15 term. Walang ganun. Walang term na ganun. So, ibig sabihin, n is not given. So, ito yung gagamitin mong formula. Okay? Pag given naman yung n, mga sample problem niyan, find the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric series. So, yung 5 terms doon, yung n. So, given siya. Kaya ito yung gagamitin nating formula. S sub n equals to a sub 1 multiplied by 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. Okay, let's have this example. In dealing with problem, kailangan may key term ka sa problem para ma-identify mo if it is arithmetic or geometric. So, i-identify mo muna. So, definitely, in this case, find the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence 5, 8, 11, 14, and so on. So, yung key term natin, ayan, obvious naman, arithmetic sequence, diba? So, gagamitan natin itong formula ng arithmetic sequence. So, yung parts dito, okay, hahanapin mo na gamit yung given. So, ano ba yung mga given natin? Okay? Meron tayong 10 term. So, ano yan? Bali yan na bali yung n natin. Kasi nahanap natin yung a sub 10. Okay? Ano pa? Yan, bakit may arrow ka dito? Since arithmetic sequence siya, ibig sabihin, common difference. So, ima-minus natin tong dalawa. So, 8 minus 5 para makuha mo yung common difference. Okay, so meron na tayong n, may d na tayo. Ano pa? A sub 1. Sabi natin yung a sub 1 ay first term. So, ang a sub 1 natin, 5. So, ready na tayo to substitute kasi meron na tayong a sub 1, meron na tayong n, meron na tayong 3. So, yun yung solution. Substitute lang natin lahat ng mga value na na-identify natin kanina. So, a sub n is equal to a sub 1. So, ang hahanapin natin yung 10. I mean, yung n natin 10, kaya a sub 10 equals yung a sub 1 natin ay 5. Yan. Plus the quantity of n minus 1. So, 10 minus 1 times 3. So, solve mo muna to. 9. 9 times 3, 27. Plus 5, 32. Ibig sabihin, yung ikatan term natin ay 32.